Hello everybody. I'd like to make a video about lightning cable. The casing made from steel. They are steel, you want to call it. It's a hard aluminium really. Now I had these, they're from Energizer. They are certified with Apple. Make sure you buy a lightning cable which is certified with Apple. If you don't buy a certified accessory from Apple, then it won't last long. Couple of weeks, couple of months, and for some reason you get it on your iPhone indicating that the accessory does not support. So make sure you buy them certified. It's got a logo there made for Apple. Don't buy a cheap one. If you buy a cheap lightning cable, it only lasts you maximum 2 months, and after that it's just not registering. Make sure you buy a certified lightning cable, because inside they put chip on it which allow connect it with a Apple product. I have this for 8 months, could be 8 months now. This one, it's really good. You can see the I use with extreme level as well outside. They're still intact. They're very good. This is the another one I have, which is like the rubber casing sort of. This one works as well, but it starts to go brittle. You see that start to come out, brittles. I can't see a picture. There it is. It's a bit blurry here. But anyway, it's brittle. You can see the cable inside. I thought I put tape on it. Still work this one. So this video, the purpose is really, in the future, if you need lightning cable, buy the steel one, like this one. They are very good. Only cost 15%, 20% extra than this one. It's not much. 20% extra more. So yeah, there it is. I've got 3. I just bought another one yesterday. I'm gonna like the design. That's what comes out from it. So hang on, just take it. Energizer. That's what the pack look like. There's another one that's sort of orange color. So yeah. See if I can unbox them. There you go. It's from steel casing, Energizer. So in the future, if you want to buy a lightning cable, don't buy these white one with a rubber on it. After a while, it starts to brittle. But with the steel one casing, this lasts me 8 months, still very works well. So that's about it, really. Let's see if I can get some. So, lightning, USB lightning for iPhone. Make sure you get the one with steel in it. In the long run, will save you a lot of money. I got this for 8 months. Can you see it does not brittle? The casing is very strong. That's about it, really. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.